Hey friends, Mortgage Mark. Happy Thursday. Just want to provide a quick weekly update on rates. We've started this about 2 weeks ago that we're going to start giving you guys weekly updates because the market's just so volatile right now. We want to make sure you're not surprised. So here's why I say that, guys. Rates have just 2022 has not been kind for interest rates. Let me show you what that looks like in terms of just rates. So here you go. In this particular instance, FreddieMac.com. If you've talked to me and you've asked what rates are and you're trying to watch them yourself, the best and real only source out there that I can recommend is FreddieMac.com. Why? Because they're not trying to make the phone ring. Any other thing you see, any website, any radio ad, they're trying to make the phone ring, and therefore the rates may or may not be completely transparent. So just FreddieMac.com, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. We've all heard of them. You can't go get a loan with Freddie Mac, right? Only mortgage folks deliver, all lenders, not all, but majority of lenders will deliver loans to Fannie Mae and or Freddie Mac, and this is their rates. So when you see this, it says 0.7 fees. To get rid of those points, because that's what this is, points, you can add about 0.1 to 0.2 on this rate. So rates now are probably around 3.7-ish to 3.8 with no points. Guys, check that out. We've lost, we've gotten hit basically Happy New Year, January 3rd. You can kind of see, and everywhere we have these little arrows, you can see them, is when we've been on a very locking bias. So we've been telling folks the second they've been calling, truthfully here, even at the end of December, lock. So if you're still wanting to float, we can lock rates, guys, as far out as 12 months. And you can get a free float down with that. So if the market's better than when you do this, it makes sense. But as you can tell, red is bad. This is, red is bleeding. So we've gotten punched in the gut from a rate standpoint. The last day or two, fine, we're making a little bit of comeback. I don't know that we're going to see much of a comeback. So my 2 cents, for what it's worth, the Fed will be raising rates in March. That's like almost a given. And when they do that, maybe it'll help calm rates down just to settle down. But I do think we're going to continue to float and hover in this high 3 range. So again, if you're unlocked, which you are, because you wouldn't be receiving this if we had your loan locked. If you're unlocked and you're looking for a home, and you want to lock even without an address, you can do it with us and you can get a free float down. We can lock for 4, 6, 9, 12 months, whatever you want. But really and truly, guys, just if you've gotten pre-qualified with us or anybody else, run those numbers and what now add 0.5% higher in the rate, make it a mid 3s or a high 3s, truthfully high 3s. So you guys can plan for what's out there currently. Obviously, we will all hope for rates to come back and go back lower. I would love it. You would love it. But just plan for that now, plan for 4%, because that's where rates are starting to head towards. And then when you find something, good luck in terms of like negotiating that very, very quickly. It's hard to do in this world because there's so many buyers out there. But, inventory's down, by the way, side note, it's like the lowest level in 40 years. So the houses that are for sale are few and far between. So good luck getting that contract. Let us know what we can do to help you. We will call the listing agent. We'll tell them how great we are, how great you are, how great your agent is. We'll do whatever we can to get you guys under contract so that we can lock your rate. But again, as I mentioned, we can lock it even when you don't have a contract. So call us if you want to lock a rate. It does cost money up front. We'll put a link down below for our extended lock program. But just want to let you guys know where things are. We appreciate you and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.